Vaginoplasty is a surgery involving sensitive area. Hence, it's very crucial to choose your doctor wisely. So firstly, make sure your doctor is specialized in cosmetic gynecology and also know the number of years of expertise. As the discussion involves sensitive topic, please make sure your doctor is friendly and open-minded. So coming to the second point, in-depth consultation is very important. So proper history taking involving medical and sexual history is necessary. Also, make sure you express your needs and expectations to your doctor. Then comes the pelvic examination and assessment part. Finally, both you and your doctor decide how to customize the vaginoplasty. Know your surgical details, the place where the surgery is happening, the operation theatre, and your anesthetist, as quality and expertise will ensure safety and optimum results. And finally, good follow-up care is very important to make the recovery period smooth. And yeah, also post-operative physiotherapy by doing vaginal massages and Emsella chair sessions to strengthen the pelvic floor is very important. If you have any more doubts about vaginoplasty, please comment below so that we will revert back. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also press the bell icon to get our notifications.